so beautiful out here. It's amazing. Look at that, man. Communication array looks stable. Finishing the final relay now. Wow, do you see that? Do you see what?
Yeah, what?
Look, it's back. I can't believe it's back.
Transmission detected. Source unknown.
It's beautiful.
The transmission is coming from inside the station.
Jaxon, I told you it would come back.
Signal sent. Signal returned.
Prepare to engage.
A gateway is opening.
Gateway active. Unexpected power loss. Cause, wool, unknown. Switching to backup power.
What is it?
It's not what it is. It's what it remembers.
What happens if I touch it?
Already did.
If you're hearing this,